This is Persian Grammar, Lesson 9 on Persian Campus. Now that you have a good understanding of Persian, it's time to start learning tenses, so you can use the language. We'll start with the present tense, which called hale sade in Persian. We use the present tense to talk about our everyday routines, habits, and sometimes for our future plans. The present tense verb generally has the following structure: me plus the verb's present stem plus the endings. The prefix me indicates an action has not been completed. In the present tense, the endings are am, e, ad or e for first, second, and third person singular, and im, id, and for the first, second, and third person plurals. There are a few methods for learning the stem of the present tense, but I recommend learning them by heart. Let's see some examples. Consider the infinitive raftan, meaning to go. The formal stem of this verb in the present tense is rav. Following the above structure, for I go or I will go, we would have me plus rav plus the ending am. That would be mi ravam. In spoken Persian, we remove the av of the stem and we say miram, I go. So for the other persons, see the table below, where the left column demonstrates the formal Persian and the right column offers the spoken ones. Formal, miravam. Spoken, miram. Miravi, miri. Miravad, mire. Miravim, mirim. Miravid, mirid. Miravand, miran. There are some verbs that behave a little bit differently. The verb dashtan, to have, is one of them. This is one of the verbs that does not take the prefix me. The stem of this verb in the present tense is dar. This table illustrates how dashtan, to have, works in the present tense. Formal, daram. Spoken, daram. Dari, dari. Darad, dare. Darim, darim. Darid, darid. Darand, daran. To change these verbs to negative form, we use na before me or the stem of the root. If you don't know what na is, make sure you watch Lesson 6 of Grammar. So, for the above verbs, we would have formal, nemi ravam. Spoken, nemi ram. Nemi ravi, nemi ri. نمی رود نمیره نمی رویم نمیریم نمی روید نمیرید نمی روند نمیرن. And for داشتن we would have formal ندارم. Spoken ندارم. نداری نداری. ندارد نداره. نداریم نداریم. ندارید ندارید. ندارند ندارن. Let's see a Persian text and find the verbs in the present tense. This is a paragraph from the book Who Believes? چه کسی باور می کند؟ by روحانگیز شریفیان. The book has won Gulshiri's Prize in 2004. قطار آهسته به راه می افتد. از جلوی دکه روزنامه فروشی می گذریم. زن فروشنده بی آنکه ما را ببیند نگاهمان می کند. میان سال است و هیکل درشت و چاقی دارد. جلوی دکش روزنامه و شکلات پیچیده شده است. جهان روزنامه هایش را از او می خرد. انبوه روزنامه، دیوارهایی که ما را از هم جدا می کند. Okay, that's all for this lesson. We will continue working on the tenses with present continuous in the next video. Stay with me and don't miss the lesson. Bye!